Let's go do this. Always pays when you do the prep work before. You say, tune in to... Yeah, buddy. Tune in, guys. Be loud, Charlie. All right, moment of truth. Let's see if she fires up. Ooh, first crank. That's a good sign. Alright guys, April 18th, dropping the boat in. Earliest I've ever had it in. Time to take her down to the slip today, but that's all right. Happy she's in. She's in. April 18th, catches in the water. Taking her home for the season. So from leaving the house to dropping it in the water, cruising down the river, which we're almost there, a couple more minutes. Right now we're going on 16 minutes. It's not bad. Pretty damn good if you ask me. Always pays when you do the prep work before. Wash it down, fire it up, make sure she runs, make sure she's got oil, gather all your lines, get those ready. All that simple stuff right there really makes launching a lot easier. In our floating dock, it's a floating dock, and you could really launch it at high tide, low tide, it doesn't really matter anymore. Before they redid it, you used to have to always go at high tide, which was kind of an inconvenience, but we're all good. It looks like we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 boats in the water right now at Burberry's. We got more right here. Pops, we'll see you in there soon. Launching tomorrow. Should have brought the lines down. That would have made docking a little easier. Oh well. All right, guys, we're in. April 18th, ready for the season. See you out there soon.